Salutations, everyone. This is a Preston Condra production.
Introducing first the challenger to my left, from Rutland, Massachusetts. She is not America's sweetheart, but she is the only woman.
Oh gosh. Samoan drop.
Then big Samoan lift, going for the Davy drop. She could hit that Davy drop right here, right now.
She's got him
heads. Davy
That
drop.
could do it.
Center of the ring.
History has been
feeling the wrath of not America's sweetheart. And she drops Paris right onto Armani.
But Mike McCarthy allows this to devolve into a brawl.
Celtic cross.
Steals in the corner.
That's her off fireman, scary.
What's the head?
Oh, she's fired up.
Good counter by Davienne. Oh, not sure what she's trying to do here. Big drop. Only a 2 count.
Rolling Thunder out of the corner, but Davienne catches him in a precarious spot. And down he goes on the back of his head. And that's it! And Davienne comes out on top.
It's typically what happens.
That's how it goes.
Air raid crash. Cover! Oh, just.
What's
Versus
Davienne
DDT?
thinking here? I think there's a leg drop coming.
Oh,
there
goodness.
It is. That's got to be it.
Drops the leg.
1, 2. Oh!
You're going for that gut buster again to no avail.
Oh!
The lusty leg
There
drop.
it is.
I think that's what she calls it. That's what Cam calls it.
Oh! 2. What is going on here? Oh!
Slides in the... Oh!
Davienne,
Oh,
all
no.
business right here.
Oh!
Davienne, your life.
She's going for it.
Oh!
Davienne just.
Oh my God!
There it is. Drilling.
Might have more.
Oh!
Basement drop kick.
Looking for the. Oh! Davienne, your life, but Mason paying dividends as he.
Oh, no.
Oh no! Right on top of her head. Davienne spiking her out of the ropes. But just 2.
Gave Davey a little too much space.
Oh, he's going right back for the guillotine again.
Wanted it.
Davienne's not having it.
Wow!
Wow.
Beautiful suplex out of the guillotine attempt. And that is it.
Not that for the swear jar, but it's pretty close. Oh no. Picks her up again. Another toss.
It's a meower of go! Coined by Mark Adam Haggerty.
Certainly not the start he was looking for. Up and over goes Davienne, finding her footing and launching him overhead. German suplex executed to perfection.
Front's proper. There's one thing we know about her is that she's got to fight. My God!
Wow, launching in.
No,
Oh,
I spoke too soon. German
combo.
suplex. No.
Florida with that German suplex. There's another one. Ripcord, she caught him though. Big German suplex.
Acrobatically gets out of the way. Oh, look at that. A belly.
Center of the ring now, belly to back suplex.
Distracted referee Kevin Quinn.
Quinn might be the worst ref of all time.
Oh, yes!
Legs went from underneath. Oh, my goodness. Spear. 2, 3. Oh, and see what's behind him. Spear. Davienne.
Daniels tried to fire away. Down he goes.
Cover.
Face of Davienne. Oh, here it is! Choke slam straight to Helen Boots and a 2 count. He's going for this super kick. Done.
What life do you think she's on? 6, 7?
Out on Bishop and Trigger.
Oh!
Good night.
Butter here tonight. Rip Torn into the clothesline.
Oh.
Oh my God.
A back elbow by
Speed and strength.
Tasha charges in. Elbow.
Oh, what a big close.
You gotta wonder with Killing Over Incorporated.
Here comes not America's Sweetheart.
going to charge here. Avalanche.
In singles action. Big squisher.
Building up some steam. Big splash.
It's gonna be tough to handle on both sides. In a
Savannah follows up and
Splash in the court.
Oh.
As it intercepts. Oh.
More resilient than anticipated. What? There we go.
Another Brian Malone special.
Oh.
broken. And just like that, Davienne's got her elevated. Paris tried to charge to no avail. Side slam from Davy. Davy, though, reversing the whip. Big side slam from the Belton coming.
Coming around.
Now, forearms.
Oh, Fury. There is so much pent-up anger between these guys. They just despise it.
Man to be able to pin his shoulders to the
Wasting any time. Lucas press. Took the eye off the ball.
Scooping the legs out, now dropping down, just trying to strike the face. McCarthy's blocking.
To the back.
Oh, another fisherman buster into the bridge.
And if you have the power advantage, you sit there and you lay on your opponent.
By the champ.
Oh, fisherman's buster.
Going for the count.
knees to the midsection, catches the. Oh, fisherman buster. There's the bridge. Oh, she got her.
Really trying to get that tiger driver. Oh, JT down there, taking it down. Davienne hits the rope. Oh! It's at home that these two, this is the epitome of a grudge match. Sunset flip. Davienne holding on for dear life. Backslide attempt. Backslide in 1, 2.
Free whale. You think, oh, schoolgirl. Deep, deep. Oh.
Scott maybe go for another code breaker. Still has it hooked, but wait, Davienne just
Devastating.
Back out.
Wow, Davienne up and over. Wow.
Did you teach her that, Brian?
knee digging right between the shoulder blades, separate.
Body scissors applied.
Strategy there.
Yeah, very smart here. Take away the energy, take away
there's
some
one.
of the strength.
Referee looking for 2. There's 2.
That arm drops one more time, folks. This one's over.
Nope.
Tasha, crossbody caught.
Too strong.
Yeah, way too strong.
Working that midsection over. Davienne has had a plan that she's executed masterfully in this match.
And we know Davienne's resilience really well, and I think she's overstepped her boundaries even.
Left knees right into the midsection.
Now, do you think it's smart of her to work the midsection, or should she be trying to work that buttocks?
And sure enough.
No chance. Absolutely no chance. Oh, Daniels has the tights.
You know what they say. Preston, please.